Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to hide personalized ads on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've noticed ads that seem a little too tailored to your activity, this quick guide will help you take back control of your privacy. So, let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac, or using the web version, the steps are the same. Once you're logged in, head over to the main menu. You'll find this on the left side of your screen. From the menu, click on More. This will open up a small panel with additional options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where all your account controls and privacy preferences are located. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before moving forward. Now, under the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Privacy and Safety. Here's where X stores all the options related to how your data is used and displayed. Once you're inside, look for Ads Preferences and click it. You'll see a few different settings on this page, but the one you're looking for is labeled Personalized Ads. This is the feature that lets X tailor ads based on your interests, your activity, and how you interact with posts. To stop that from happening, simply uncheck the box next to Personalized Ads. Once you do, the app will no longer use your personal data to suggest or customize ad content. And that's it. You've successfully hidden personalized ads on X. From now on, the platform will still show ads, but they'll be more general and not linked to your online behavior. Taking this small step makes a huge difference in protecting your digital privacy and keeping your online experience a little less intrusive. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring other privacy options in the same settings menu to further enhance your control. Thanks for tuning in.